When it comes to enhancing the exterior of your home, the details make all the difference. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is to your windows and doors. In Slidell, homeowners are increasingly turning to window and door replacements as an effective way to boost both curb appeal and property value. But how exactly do new windows and doors achieve this? Let's explore how these changes can breathe new life into your home's appearance while adding long-term value. Elevating curb appeal. Curb appeal is the first impression a home makes on anyone who approaches. It's the visual impact that influences potential buyers, neighbors, and passers-by. Windows and doors play a significant role in defining a home's exterior look. In Slidell, the style of your windows and doors can either blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings or make a bold statement. New windows and doors come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes that allow homeowners to personalize their homes. Whether you prefer the classic, timeless appeal of traditional wood windows or the sleek modern lines of aluminum or fiberglass, there's something for every architectural style. Additionally, well-chosen windows and doors can complement the landscaping, architecture, and even the color scheme of your home, tying the overall aesthetic together beautifully. For example, replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing models can brighten your home's exterior and create a fresh, clean look. Doors, too, are a focal point. Whether it's a bold front door with intricate detailing or a minimalist glass patio door that opens up to a beautiful backyard view. These upgrades instantly transform your home's curb appeal, making it stand out in the neighborhood and leaving a lasting impression. Increasing property value. While curb appeal is about the visual appeal, the long-term value of your home is significantly influenced by quality windows and doors. Real estate experts agree that homebuyers often prioritize functional, attractive windows and doors when making purchasing decisions. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient alternatives not only boosts aesthetic value but also significantly enhances your home's energy efficiency. This is a particularly valuable feature in Slidell's humid climate, where effective insulation and reduced energy bills can be a major selling point. Energy-efficient windows reduce the load on your heating and cooling systems, lowering your energy consumption. As a result, you're not only saving money in the long run, but your home becomes more appealing to potential buyers who want to avoid costly utility bills. Furthermore, new doors with proper seals and insulation can also prevent drafts and help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Windows and doors made of durable, high-quality materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum can also increase the longevity of your home's exterior, reducing the need for costly repairs in the future. This added durability makes your property more attractive to buyers who are looking for a low-maintenance home. The benefits of customization. Another key advantage of updating your windows and doors is the ability to customize them to fit your specific needs. In Slidell, where the climate can vary, selecting the right materials for energy efficiency, storm resistance, and durability is essential. With a wide range of customizable options available, homeowners can select windows and doors that provide optimal protection against extreme weather conditions while also reflecting their personal style. For instance, choosing impact-resistant windows and doors can provide peace of mind during hurricane season, a critical consideration for homes in coastal areas like Slidell. Custom windows and doors can also allow for better natural light flow, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere inside the home. A smart investment for the future. Home improvements like window and door replacements aren't just about immediate gratification, they're a smart investment in the future. The cost of upgrading your windows and doors is often recouped through increased property value, making it one of the most cost-effective home improvements. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply enjoy a more attractive and efficient living space, the benefits of new windows and doors are clear. In conclusion, upgrading your windows and doors in Slidell is one of the most effective ways to boost curb appeal and increase your home's value. With a wide range of styles, materials, and energy-efficient options available, these upgrades not only enhance your home's exterior but also provide long-term savings and a return on investment. Whether you're making your home more inviting for yourself or planning to sell, new windows and doors are an investment that pays off in style, comfort, and value.